Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 4. Today we will start on unit 6, lesson 1. What is Europe? We'll read the lesson together. Europe is one of the 7 countries that appears on our globe. It is the second smallest continent among all the continents, and it is connected to the continent of Asia and Africa through several countries. Look at the map of Europe below. What bodies of water surround? Here is the map, and you should notice that the bodies of water surrounding Europe continent, the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean are some of the water bodies surrounding Europe. Now, Europe contains of 44 countries. Which do you think is the largest country in Europe? The largest countries in Europe are the largest countries in Europe among the 44 countries in the continent. First of them is Russia, and it is the biggest country in the continent is Russia. Second is Turkey. Third is France. Fourth is Ukraine. Fifth is Spain. 6 is Finland. 7 is Norway. 8 is Poland. 9 Italy. And 10 is the United Kingdom. The 10th one is the United Kingdom. Those are the top largest countries in Europe continent. What is Europe? Europe got its name after a prince named Yoruba, who was taken to live in Greece. Greece was the first country referred to Yoruba, and then the name developed to name all the countries that are part of Europe today. Look at them. All the map, which is surrounded by black, which was countries belong to Yoruba, the king or the prince. The first people who lived in Europe were people who migrated from Africa, trying to find more caves to live in. It was said that these people first settled in areas like Germany, Spain, and France. The first human fossil to be discovered in Europe were in fact found in Germany. This was the lesson for today, my dear students. Just introducing for you the Europe continent and the most top 10 largest countries in Europe. For exercise, I hope everybody will open on page number 124, and please try to mark that or name the countries, select from the words above, right, and try to place those countries on the map. It is the continent of Europe, and you have to place those countries on the map. Also, you have as a homework exercise is page number 125. Please try to solve those 5 questions there, and inshallah in the next lesson we will solve it together. Thank you very much, and that was the lesson for today.